Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and I'm going to be doing a review on a new system called Digital Wealth Pros. And I'm excited about this because with this opportunity, you're going to be able to collect unlimited commissions. They have 3 levels, and I'm going to share with you some proof, but not only that, how to get started with this opportunity and what's included when you decide to get started. So for those that don't know, I am an affiliate marketer, and what I do is I look for particular programs that are newbie friendly and that are easy to duplicate. And I haven't been involved in a new opportunity in over like 8 months because I haven't seen anything out there that I thought was great, automated, had all of the perks that's needed in order for this system to actually flow and get you the results that you need. So I'm going to, again, give you guys a review about Digital Wealth Pros. And not only that, if you want to look at the website and the bonuses that's going to be available for my team only, you can click on the description below, and there you'll see the link that will give you information about the bonuses that we have and the perks that you're going to get to speed up your success with this opportunity. This is a brand new system. It hasn't been around that long, but there's a few things that I love about it that you're not going to really get with any other system, and we're going to talk about that today. So just to share a little bit of proof with you guys here, I have a payment that came in, $200, 25 don't really count, but $200 payment yesterday, $800. I also had some people pay me via Cash App, and the payments have been consistent so far. I'm going to constantly give you guys updates on how it's performing and what's it's doing using pretty much free traffic. And what I'm going to be doing is also allowing my team, those that come in at the 2nd and 3rd level, to utilize the traffic that I have and that I'm using that's converting for this opportunity. So with this opportunity, you're going to have 3 levels to choose from. It is an automated system, and they have call center reps that do the selling and telling for you. I just made a phone call about 2 hours ago into the call center. I had someone call me back within an hour to actually help get someone else started because I had some questions. That is just powerful, guys. If you do not want to have to talk to people, try to convince people on an opportunity that works, this is something that you want to take a look at, especially if you're doing this part-time. We want this to be part-time for a lot of people so that you can work on it for an hour to 2 hours a day, 4 days a week, and the system will actually keep spitting out commissions over and over and over again. So you have your own full scale call center to close your sales on autopilot 24 hours per day, 6 days a week. They are available Monday through Saturday. They have highly trained call center agents that are available to talk to your leads. It is a proven system that has the sales funnel and everything connected for you so that once you make your payment, you can actually get started right away. They have a digital library that is full of content. I haven't even had the time to go through everything that's back there, but they have marketing information. They have email swipes. They have mindset information, anything that you need, how to produce free traffic and paid traffic, and much more. So what they're doing is they're giving you a digital educational platform that's going to allow you to start bringing in results consistently with this business. Tested ad campaigns that they have tested, and they're going to show you how they are winning with these ads, and they're high converting. The payments go directly to you. You can use the payment processor of your choice. They have Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, and I use Stripe. So it's really up to you, but wherever you locate it, as long as you have a third-party payment processor, you can get connected with this system and start running traffic to it, whether it's paid or free, and have the system do the work for you, do the heavy lifting for you. So when someone clicks here to get started, and this website is available for my team for the next 72 hours. Well, it started last night. If you join my team between today and tomorrow, we'll probably extend it to the weekend till Sunday. If you come in at the $400 or $800 level, you are going to get a customized website that looks identical to this, but it's going to have your information here, your name and your picture, and also your ID number, so that when people are ready to join, they can sign up with your ID number. If you want to see what this website looks like, right in the description below, you will see the information for this website. We have 3 levels for this opportunity: the $200, the $400, and the $800 level. These are one-time payments. You do not have to pay again. Once you make your one-time payment, you now have access to the reseller license to go out and promote this and start earning 100% commissions. There is a one-time admin fee for each level. If you come in at the $800 level and you pay the $197, you have access to all 3 levels. And again, the admin fee is one time, the membership fee is one time, okay? When you actually get started, you are going to have a membership site. They have a back office where you can see your leads in real time. They also notify you when they speak to one of your leads, and you'll get that information via email. So if someone calls and they are interested and they give the call center agent your ID number, you're going to receive a notification, guys. And that's very powerful, because now you know how many people are actually looking at this opportunity, getting started with this opportunity, and how many people are actually speaking to a rep to get you paid. And that's very powerful. It really eliminates having to do the selling and telling and trying to explain to someone how an opportunity works. So step 2, you pay your one-time admin fee. You pay directly to your sponsor at the level that you want to come in at. You set up your back office, which is going to take literally between 30 minutes to an hour, give or take. It's very self-explanatory on what you need to do to get set up, and they take you through the steps one step at a time. And then you're going to start driving traffic. For those who are a part of my team, for a limited time, and we're going to only do this probably for the next 60 to 90 days, I'm going to also share my traffic source with you guys for those who come in at the $400 and the $800 level. If you want to see the bonuses, again, in the description below will be the information for the bonuses that you are going to receive when you decide to get started with my team. And we're going to also have a training that I'm going to hold within the next couple of weeks. Okay. So you'll also get that information as well. At the $800 level, you will receive a one-on-one private coaching session with me, just to go over a game plan and a strategy that's going to work and help you to produce results as quickly as possible. Guys, the time is now. Why? Because this is brand new. Everyone is looking at it. People are interested in getting started with it. If you get in now, this is when you can make the most money. So I highly recommend you take a look at the website, give the call center a phone call, get your questions answered, get started. And not only that, take advantage of the bonuses. When you get into your WDP back office, make sure to look at the educational products that they have, because there's so many different things back there and ways that you can make money. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you did not see the information for the webinar that we had last week, you definitely want to take a look at that. I'm sorry, yesterday. You want to take a look at that webinar. It gives a really good breakdown. We had over 150 people on the webinar where we went over information about the opportunity. But not only that, we talked to people who are doing really well and have gotten started within the last 3 to 6 weeks. So that is available on my channel, the webinar that we have. We will be hosting another webinar next week, Thursday. So I look forward to working with you guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and have a great weekend. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.